Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by locking down the environment. Close background apps and services that steal CPU or GPU time, then set the game process to high priority so scheduling favors it. Next, update your GPU driver and switch your power plan to performance to avoid CPU throttling. Once done, launch the game and enable an in-game FPS counter so you can monitor changes in real time. These first steps remove common resource conflicts and let the later tweaks actually affect performance. Now you focus on the game's rendering pipeline. Reduce render scale to 75% and lower texture and shadow quality to medium so the GPU stops bottlenecking. Disable motion blur, ambient occlusion, and VSync to cut unnecessary workloads and input lag. Make sure to cap your frame rate slightly above your monitor refresh rate to prevent wild fluctuations. Once these are set, restart the game and watch the FPS counter. Smoother, lower settings often eliminate drops without sacrificing gameplay clarity. Finish by tuning system-level profiles. In the driver control panel, create a game-specific profile that forces maximum performance and optimal power settings. Enable GPU hardware scheduling and frame pacing if available to stabilize latency. Then verify temperatures and thermal throttling. Clean dust and reapply paste if needed, because thermal spikes cause sudden drops. If problems continue, perform a clean boot to isolate conflicts. If a single troubleshooting tip helps most, test temps first. Thermal throttling is the frequent unseen culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.